Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to welcome to our August new products video. First new product is for the 1968 to 77 Ford Bronco, are these door latch rods. First rod we have here, this goes from the exterior lock. When you put your key in, you turn it, that releases the lock mechanism on the door latch so you can open the door. The second one, this longer one, goes from the inside door handle. When you squeeze it, it releases the mechanism on the door latch so you can open the door. These fit right or left side for the 68 to 77 Ford Bronco. Our next new products for the 1978 to 96 Ford Bronco is this rear hardware kit for the rear tailgate. If you're putting the tailgate on the Bronco or you're redoing your truck, this is the way to go. This has all the correct size bolts, washers, and screws you need for the exterior of the tailgate to put it back on your Bronco. It's one-stop shopping. It's all in one bag, ready to go. Recently here at the Bronco Graveyard, we required a Ford Motorcraft distributorship. So we're nice to offer you all the Motorcraft products. We have the filters, we have the lubricants, we have the seals, we have the grease, the adhesives. This is all Ford recommended stuff to service Ford vehicles with. It's the right part. What's nice about this stuff's all formulated for Ford products. It's formulated for help prevent wear, rust, and corrosion of your vehicle. What's nice about this is all small stuff. If you have an order, we can just toss it in, ready to go. And our next new product's from Dana Schweitzer. When you already make the best U-joint on the planet, what do? You even make a better one. These are the brand new Dana Schweitzer Xtreme U-joints for the front axle on Dana 44s and Dana 60s. These are made from a 4340 nickel chromoly material and extra large trunnions on the U-joints for added strength. Full circle C-clip for the U-joint caps, and a little grease circuit in each one so you can grease it. Comes with Dana Schweitzer grease and a nice little grease gun. One kit does one vehicle. We have them for the Dana 44 right now, and we'll have them for the Dana 60 shortly. And for our August Web Truck of the Month, we have John Berriman, Early Bronco. You'll enjoy the video. Thank you for your support, and hope to see you again next month.
See the tub, we bought it, it was rolled. It come from Colorado. Me and my cousin, there was a place in Kankakee, Illinois. We went and looked at it since it was uncut. We purchased it. The rest of the parts are off a 75 that I owned previously. This has 350 gears, 90 Mustang fuel injection, Jeff's 23-gallon tank in the back. We run the pump in the tank. My cousin Joe, he's from, I call him Bronco Joe. He's from Campus, Illinois. I call him Mr. MacGyver. You know, he's good. He helped me out a lot. We did everything. The paint, redid the interior, heated seats in the front, new foam. We painted a stripe on. Okay. The hood, actually we bought up here. We had to cut the hood lengthwise, cut it in front and back. We run the factory latches on the hood because it had the pins, which I didn't want. I wanted the factory latches. It's Raptor, the inside. We went with silver pigment, no binder in it, so everything matches. We sprayed it. It runs good. We make our own dual exhaust, running headers. I love it. I love it. You know, I really love it.
Is there anything you want to do to it that you haven't done yet?
Yeah, I was going to run that the drip rail chrome up there. I'm going to get that from Jeff's. Maybe some stainless steel tips on the ass end. Just drive it, basically. Just enjoying it, you know. I mean, I got a couple of kids and they all want it. But we'll see what happens. But I enjoy it. I tell you, I love Bronco.